Hello everyone, I'm CA Manasar and I will be presenting my views on the Union Budget 2021-22 which was presented by the Honorable Finance Minister Nirmala Sitharaman. The market cheered the budget and closed 2300 points above because the Finance Minister presented a fiscal expansionary budget. Everyone was expecting an introduction of new taxes or increase in the taxes, especially the super rich people, but the finance minister resisted in increasing any of the direct taxes. Famous British economist John Keynes quoted, "In order to revive an economy and stimulate demand, the government has to incur additional expenditure and reduce the taxes," which the finance minister perfectly followed in the budget. The economic survey, which was presented before the budget by the Department of Economic Affairs, showcased the current situation of the economy and also displayed how the country is progressing from the recession phase caused by the coronavirus pandemic. It also highlighted how the country will be booming, how the country will be increasing in the GDP by 11% in the next financial year, that is 2021-22. The economic survey pushed the government for counter-cyclical fiscal policy. In this economic policy, the government counters the recession by increasing the expenditure and reducing the taxes. And in the boom phase, the government increases the taxes and reduces the public expenditure. Now we will be looking at the key highlights of the budget. The centre proposed highest ever capital expenditure allocation amounting to rupees 5.54 lakh crores, which is an increase of 35% from the last financial year. This showcased the government's medium term outlook. Now we will be focusing on the sector specific announcements. First will be healthcare. Healthcare was a thrust of the budget because the government and the country faced inefficiencies in the healthcare infrastructure. Therefore, the government have allocated around 2.25 lakh crores for the health and well-being, which is 125% increase from the last financial year. The government has allocated 35,000 crores for the mega vaccination drive. The government has also announced a new scheme called PM Atmanirbhar Swasth Bharat Yojana and allocated 64,000 crores for the next 6 years to improve the country's infrastructure in the healthcare. Next will be the automobile sector. The automobile sector have much to share as the FM announced a vehicle scrappage policy. In this, commercial vehicles of more than 15 years or passenger vehicles of more than 20 years have to be scrapped. But this is a voluntary policy. Also, to tap the immense manufacturing facility of India, the government has proposed an increase in the custom duty of many auto parts. Next, we will be discussing about the airlines. As 85% of the total fleet are on lease, that too the lessors belong to Ireland and Dubai. To woo these lessors, the government has proposed tax exemptions for lease payment to foreign lessors and also tax holiday for capital gains for aircraft lease companies if they are situated in the gift city of Gujarat. The RBI has also warned the government that the NPA will rise to 13.5%. Therefore, the government has proposed 20,000 crore allocation to set up asset management company and asset reconstruction company. The center has also proposed to set up professionally managed development financial institutions which will provide funds for low capital projects and also provide funds to the borrowers which are unable to borrow from the commercial lenders. Now we will be discussing regarding the startups. In order to boost the startup ecosystem in India, the government has proposed to increase the time limit for the incorporation of the eligible startup by 1 year, that is 1st April 2022, to claim the tax holiday. Now I will be highlighting on the direct tax amendments. Everyone was expecting an introduction of a new COVID cess, especially for the super rich people, but the government resisted in introducing any other cess, which delighted these people. The government also didn't change or introduce a new tax slab, deductions and exemptions. In order to remove and reduce the tax litigations, the government has proposed to introduce a dispute resolution committee for the small taxpayers whose taxable income is less than 50 lakhs and tax disputed is less than 10 lakhs. To end the uncertainty in the minds of the taxpayers from the reopening of the assessment order, The government has proposed to reduce the time limit for the reopening of the assessment order from 6 years to 3 years. The government has also proposed for the introduction of a new TDS at the rate of 0.1% at the time of the purchasing of the goods if it is more than 50 lakhs and the buyer's turnover is more than 10 crores. The government has also introduced the faceless assessment for the appellate tribunal level, and the LLPs will not be eligible for the presented tax if they are professionals. Now I will be discussing regarding the indirect tax highlights. First, goods and services tax. The government has proposed to omit section 35(5) which related to GST audit report and replaced it with a self-declaration reconciliation statement. The government has introduced into the law the payment of interest payment on the net liability rather than gross liability retrospectively. Zero interest applied to the SEZ shall be eligible only for the authorized operations. Custom duty. In order to make India a manufacturing hub, the government has proposed major amendments in customs related to tariff. The government has increased the tariff in the case of automotive parts, mobile parts, solar inverters, leathers, and textiles. To rationalize the tax and the custom duty on the gold and silver, the government has reduced the custom duty from 12.5% to 7.5% because the gold rate spiked in the last year. In the case of non-tariff amendments, the government has amended the time limit for filing of the bill of entry. Now the bill of entry can be filed till the end of the preceding day of the arrival of the goods. 2-year time limit, which can be extended by 1 more year, will be available for the completion of the inquiry and investigation in the custom matter. Thank you for watching the video. I hope you liked the budget highlights. But what do you think, was the Nirmala Sitharaman's budget was able to fulfill the expectations that the market and the public had? And was the budget able to revive the economy from the current pandemic situation? Thank you.